Hey everyone, I'm Vince. This is my son Logan, and we're starting a project today. We're building up a bike from the frame up. It's a Giant mountain bike, XTC SLR model. It's built specifically for the 27.5-inch wheel set, which seems to be a trend these days. A lot of people are moving to the 29s, but the 27.5 is sort of a compromise in terms of weight. We're using Shimano XT components for the most part. We're going with a 1x11 drivetrain, Mavic wheel set, and a few other goodies that we'll show you as we put it together. We've sourced this mainly from online, as well as some parts from our local shop. So I hope you learn along with us and enjoy this. Thanks.